and welcome to my channel, the Learn, Share, and Grow channel. And today I'm excited to reveal a new groundbreaking news from Google. It's been kept like a secret, denied over the years, and of course, the outbreak and the launch of ChatGPT by OpenAI in partnership with Microsoft has forced Google, if I may say, to come out with their own rival product, and it's called the Google Bard. I have a couple of videos that I got about this launch, which I'll be sharing shortly. But the question is, what's your thought about this? Regardless of how you feel about this, don't forget we are the focus, we are the baseline, we are the target, humans, and quote and unquote, it's to make life much easier for us. There are various thoughts around this, and one that I think is very effective is the fact that it helps replace searching because these AI technologies are meant to be integrated with the search engines. For instance, Microsoft has said it's going to integrate ChatGPT into Bing, and if Google does the same into Google Search, it's going to be awesome. It's replacing pages of endless searches, searching of web links just to get content, and with just replying you with one definite answer. So instead of going to search engine and say, how do I do this? And then you have to read through this web link and compare it to this web link and just juxtaposed with this web link. It just gives you one definite answer, one concise answer, and that is almost nearly correct. So it like more or less summarizes the most approved responses from the internet and then provides this for you. So because searches has been projected to go to up to 2 trillion per year in the coming years, because we are currently doing billions, it is not out of place to have this kind of um, AI powered chatbots that would help our search become much more meaningful. So you look forward to what this holds, and there is a question I would like to ask at the end of the video. If you have thoughts around this, please share in the comment section. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, now is the best time to just simply click on the subscribe button. Also share with your friends and let us know your thoughts in and around these technologies.
Competition for the best in artificial intelligence, or AI, is heating up. Google parent Alphabet on Monday announced plans to launch Bard, an artificial intelligence chatbot service. Bard will be released to test users before being released to the public in the coming weeks. Powering Bard is LaMDA, Google's AI that can generate prose so human-like that a company engineer last year called it sentient, or able to perceive or feel things, a claim the technology giant and scientists widely dismissed. This news follows recent statements by Microsoft that it aims to infuse AI into all its products following the launch of the explosively popular ChatGPT, the chatbot sensation which can generate articles, essays, jokes, and even poetry in response to prompts. Microsoft is an investor in and partner with ChatGPT's maker OpenAI. It has been rated the fastest growing consumer app in history. Alphabet chief executive Sundar Pichai said Google also plans to add AI-powered features to its search engine to synthesize information to answer complex queries. Pichai said Google will give tools, first powered by LaMDA and later by other AI technology, to web developers, creators, and enterprises starting next month.
Google is introducing a new chatbot AI project called Bard. It will combine the knowledge of the world with its language model platform, LaMDA. It will be tested by select users before being released publicly. At Google's upcoming Google Presence event, we expect to hear more about what Bard will be capable of, so stay tuned.
Google is launching its own AI-powered chatbot, Bard, to compete with OpenAI's ChatGPT. Bard is powered by Google's LaMDA language AI model and will provide up-to-date information. Alphabet will integrate its AI technologies, including LaMDA, into Google Search, allowing it to provide easy-to-digest responses to complex questions. Google's AI technology will also be made available to businesses and website developers. Meanwhile, rival Microsoft is expected to announce the integration of ChatGPT into its Bing search engine this afternoon.